Our next phrase is let's do this.
Paris Junket Day.
Let's do this, which just means let's go. This is like you're excited, like let's do this. So maybe you are like about to run into the ocean. So you're on the beach and it's you and your friends and you guys want to like run into the ocean and go swimming and you're like, let's do this. And then you like all run in, you're like, yeah. So it's definitely jovial, definitely really happy, like yay, something exciting is happening and we are about to start it. We're like, let's do this. You could do it before a game, before any sort of game where you're like, everyone's like hopped up and excited and they're like, yeah, and you can be like, let's do this. So you can definitely use it in that way too. It's really anything where you're just saying, let's go, let's start, but it's like, you're like really excited, like, woo, yeah. That is let's do this. It doesn't always have to be like and at the beginning of something that's physical that's going to take place. You could be a little bit calmer. You could be at work. I guess you could be at school, a class that you're just really excited about. And so maybe you're at work and you guys are doing this project and you guys are sitting down and brainstorming and someone comes up with a good idea and you're like, yes. And you're ready to get started on it and you're like, let's do this. Or maybe like before a marketing presentation and you guys are just going over like last minute notes, like I'm going to say this, you're going to say that. Are we ready? Yep, we're ready. All right, let's do this. So it's just whatever it is, it's definitely something positive that's happening. It can be like, woo, before you're about to do something physical, or it can just be like, we got this. Let's do this. All right, come on. Yeah. Like a little bit of like a confidence boost where you're like rallying the troops either way. I guess if you're going to use it in a school setting, you could do it before you're doing your presentation. You could do it maybe if you're about to start studying something, but you're definitely excited about how something is going and you're like ready to go. You're ready to get started. You're like getting a little pumped up. Let's do this.